Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, looking crusty as ever. So today I'm going to be putting on this old UNICE wig that I had on. First I was just going to darken my wig cap just a little bit and then size the hair. I've had this hair for like a year and I'm just going to go ahead and put some Ghost Bond on my head. I know a lot of you guys would think that this is a lot of Ghost Bond, but it works for me because I really don't like taking my wigs off that often. So I'm going to apply a very thick layer to it and then spread it evenly. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the Aisha lace glue as well because that's waterproof and this hair is wet. It's more of a wet look, so that's going to help with it not coming off. And then I'm just going to apply a thin layer of that on and then spread that evenly as well. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fan it. And then I'm gonna use a rat tail comb to pretty much lay the lace down and then make sure everything is smooth. You really wanna take your time with this and make sure there are no like open areas or any loose areas so it really holds down on your scalp. Now I'm taking some baby hairs out, and I had baby hairs out for this wig before, but don't know where they went, so I'm creating new baby hairs for this wig. Like I said, this wig is like over a year old. That's why I had literally no problem with cutting it or creating this style. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the baby hairs. And you really want to take your time as well with this one. Make sure you're getting out thin layers with your rat tail comb. And then I'm going to use some mousse and then lay down those baby hairs. I really wanted a wet look for my baby hair because the hair itself was going to be wet. And to ensure that your baby hairs don't move for a while, I like to spray some Got To Be over it as well. I forgot to show that in the video, but I did spray a little thin layer of Got To Be glue on my edges. With my edges, I do take my time because I really want to make sure that they are specific to what I want. And I really like those swoops, especially for like more dramatic looks and wet looks. If I was just doing like a regular straight hair look, I'm not gonna like go crazy with my edges. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just use a Wrap It Up black wrap to wrap my hair, and then I am just gonna wait till it dries. And then this is me cutting it off after it's been dry for maybe 20 to 30 minutes. With this hair, I really think that it's super cute with a side part, and this is my favorite side to cut my parts on. It just frames my face better. And then I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair, and I'm wetting it before I cut it because I really was nervous on how it was gonna look, so I made sure I wet it first and then cut it. Plus it's much easier to wet your hair and then cutting it. So first I'm cutting it, but I'm layering it while I'm cutting it. I don't want to do blunt cuts because that's just not going to look cute. So I can do a blunt cut in the beginning and then I go back and like cut it upwards or sideways so that it's more layered and looks more of like a pixie cut. Again, with this one, take your time, play with it, and see how you like it. And then I'm doing the same thing to the other side, but I want to make sure this side is a little longer because I want it to create like a bang. And honestly, you guys, this hair has been trending a lot over the summer. Ain't like we got anywhere to go, but this hair has been trending a lot over the summer. Because it's just so easy to do. You don't have, after you apply it, you don't really have to do anything else but wet your hair. I had this hair in for a week and a half without having to restyle it or anything. And I took a shower with it without having to do anything when it came to wrapping my hair or anything like that. And currently I'm pregnant, so I felt like this would be a great hairstyle for me because I really don't want to do my hair over. And this is the finished look, you guys. I went ahead and chopped it up just a little bit more and created a little bit more layers, and yeah, it honestly is so beautiful. This is one of my favorite looks. Let me know if you guys try this. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.